Georgia Performance Standard MM1A2. This video focuses on addition of polynomials. We'll perform some examples and then I'll give you two practice problems. Okay, your procedure for adding polynomials. I want you to find the highest degree or largest exponent in your addition problem. Here I have 5x squared. I don't see anything any larger than that, so I'll begin circling 5x squared. Now I go looking for any other x squared terms, and I find one here. This is an addition problem, so 5 plus 7, 12x squared. Now go looking for your next largest exponent, 7x and 5x. Positive 7 plus positive 5, also a positive 12x. Finally, plus 13 and plus 8. 13 plus 8, positive 21. 12x squared plus 12x plus 21. Let's try a problem that's not quite as simple. What makes this one tricky? Your terms are not automatically placed in the correct order. So let's scan the problem, look for the largest exponent. I see a few x squared terms, starting with the 5 and the 7x squared. 5 plus 7, 12x squared. Moving down to the next highest exponent, 3x and 5x. 3 plus 5, well, that's 8x. And finally, I have a negative 7 plus 2. Now be careful, this negative sign messes a lot of people up. Negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. A handy trick you can use here to remember is that you can subtract the two numbers because they have opposite signs, and then take the sign of the larger. The solution is negative 5. This will just help you with the negative 7 plus 2 part. Let's try another medium addition problem. What's tricky about this one? There's not always a like term in the other polynomial. Let's begin by scanning for our largest exponent. I see an x to the third, and there's just one of them. So we'll circle that term. There's only one, nothing to add or subtract, 5x to the third. Next highest exponent, x squared and 5x squared. Now 5 plus 1 is 6x squared. Next highest exponent. Now be careful, it's not over here. That's tempting. I see 7x. Draw a diamond around that. And then finally, let's go after these numbers. Put hearts around them. Negative 3 and negative 3. Remember the operation here is addition. Negative 3 plus a negative 3, negative 6. Because they have the same sign, I need you to add the numbers together and then keep the sign negative. 5x to the third plus 6x squared plus 7x minus 6. Okay, now come two practice problems. Please pause the video now while you solve this problem. Think you have a solution? Let's check. Begin by scanning for the largest exponents. X to the third, it's all alone. X squared. 4 plus 3. Next largest exponent, x. And now let's get those numbers. 8 and the dreaded -1. Messes a lot of people up because this sign is negative. 8 minus 1, +7. The answer is x to the third plus 7x squared plus x plus 7. Okay, final one. Please pause the video now while you solve this problem. Think you have a solution? Let's check your answer. Begin by scanning for the largest exponent. -5x squared and 3x squared. -5 plus 3, -2x squared. 2x and x. And finally, 3 and -2. The solution is -2x squared plus 3x plus 1. That concludes practice adding polynomials, standard MM1A2c. Thanks for watching.